This video will explore the many uses of Chat GPT for travel agents, and my name is Joni Ogg. You can't pick up a travel trade publication without reading about how AI is going to put travel agents out of business. One article, entitled "Travel Agents Beware," was written by someone obviously with no history in the travel industry, and they claimed that a certain chatbot known as Chat GPT was threatening the very existence of the travel agent community. I so remember when travel agents first had CRS installed in their agencies. Smaller travel agencies are history, said the trades, because they didn't have the revenue to qualify. Just the opposite happened though. And then came personal computers. Well, that's it for travel agents, everyone thought. And then came the commission cuts and the elimination of commission, and everyone believed that the event was going to put travel agents out of business. And then came ever-changing technology, and people who didn't travel asked, how can travel agencies survive? Well, of course, travel agents are doing better now than ever before because consumers have learned the true value of working with a knowledgeable travel professional. Getting rid of the overhead imposed by maintaining airline ticketing availability, working from a low-cost home base, embracing technology, and focusing on complex business and leisure transactions has led to their success. In fact, the very technology that everyone feared would put travel agents out of business is the reason that they're doing so very well. The current perceived threat to the existence of the travel agent business is OpenAI's Chat GPT, which is actually an extraordinary product that is perfect for the travel business. If you'd like to try this easy-to-use chatbot, just visit chat.openai.com and register for free. Simply ask it a question and it will go to work for you. If you have worked with an AI essay writer before, you're going to know exactly how to use Chat GPT. My niece Debbie was awarded one of the very first advanced AI degrees from UCLA. And while she had her choice of companies to work for, she chose Oracle. I remember her visions, and Chat GPT is just the beginning. I wanted to interview someone about Chat AI, but there really isn't anyone to interview. So I thought, hey, why don't I just interview Chat GPT itself? So following is what Chat GPT is all about as it relates to travel agents and the opportunities. Number one, increased efficiency. With the ability to process large amounts of data quickly and accurately, Chat GPT can significantly improve the efficiency of travel agents. By automating certain tasks such as itinerary planning and reservation management, travel agents can save time and focus on providing personalized services to their clients. Number two, improved customer service. ChatGPT can be used to provide personalized recommendations and travel advice to customers. With its ability to understand natural language and context, ChatGPT can assist travel agents in answering customer queries and resolving issues quickly and efficiently. Increased sales. ChatGPT can assist travel agents in identifying customer preferences and recommending relevant travel packages, increasing the chance of sales. With its ability to analyze customer data, ChatGPT can help travel agents tailor their services to meet the needs of their clients. Number four is reduced costs. ChatGPT can help travel agents save costs by automating certain tasks, such as booking confirmations and itinerary updates. This can help travel agents reduce overhead and improve their profit margins. Number five, improved marketing. ChatGPT can assist travel agents in developing targeted marketing campaigns based on customer data. By analyzing customer preferences and behavior, ChatGPT can help travel agents create personalized marketing messages that are more likely to resonate with their clients. And number six, increased competition. With the rise of online travel booking platforms and the growing popularity of do it yourself travel planning, travel agents face increasing competition. However, by leveraging ChatGPT technology to provide personalized services and improve efficiency, travel agents can differentiate themselves from their competitors and attract more customers. So the next thing I did was ask ChatGPT to elaborate on each of these 6 points. With the help of ChatGPT, travel agents can improve their efficiency and streamline their workflow. ChatGPT can automate certain tasks such as itinerary planning, reservation management, and other administrative tasks. And this can free up travel agents' time, allowing them to focus on providing personalized services to their clients. For example, ChatGPT can automatically update clients' travel itineraries with real-time flight information, hotel bookings, and other travel-related details. It can also suggest alternative travel arrangements if a client's flight is canceled or delayed, saving travel agents time and reducing the risks of errors. And in addition, ChatGPT can assist travel agents in managing large amounts of data quickly and accurately. And this can be especially useful when dealing with complex travel arrangements involving multiple destinations, transportation modes, and accommodations. So, by improving their efficiency, travel agents can provide better services to their clients, reduce the risk of errors, and increase their productivity. And this can help them stand out in an increasingly competitive market, attract more clients, and ultimately grow their business. Improved customer service. Now, ChatGPT can play an important role in improving customer service for travel agents. With its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can help travel agents quickly and accurately understand customer queries and provide personalized recommendations and travel advice. For example, if a customer is looking for a specific type of vacation experience, such as a romantic getaway or an adventure trip, ChatGPT can help travel agents suggest relevant destinations, activities, and accommodations based on the customer's preferences. ChatGPT can also help travel agents quickly resolve customer issues, such as flight cancellations, delays, or changes in travel plans. And by automating certain tasks, such as rebooking flights or finding alternative travel arrangements, ChatGPT can help travel agents respond to customer requests more quickly and efficiently. And furthermore, ChatGPT can assist travel agents in providing personalized services to their customers. By analyzing customer data such as travel history, preferences, and feedback, ChatGPT can help travel agents create personalized travel itineraries and recommend activities and experiences that are tailored to the customer's interests. In summary, ChatGPT can help travel agents provide faster, more personalized, and efficient customer service, which can lead to higher customer satisfaction and ultimately result in repeat business and referrals. ChatGPT can assist travel agents in identifying customer preferences and recommending relevant travel packages, which can ultimately lead to increased sales. With its ability to analyze customer data such as travel history, preferences, and feedback, ChatGPT can help travel agents create personalized travel packages and promotions that are tailored to the customer's interests. For example, if a customer has previously booked beach vacations, ChatGPT can help travel agents suggest similar destinations or experiences for the next trip. ChatGPT can also assist travel agents in upselling and cross-selling travel products and services. By analyzing customer data and behavior, ChatGPT can help travel agents suggest additional travel services, such as car rentals, travel insurance, or excursions that the customer may be interested in. And furthermore, ChatGPT can help travel agents generate leads and reach out to potential customers. By analyzing social media and other online data, Chat GPT can identify potential customers who may be interested in a particular travel package or destination and assist travel agents in reaching out to them with personalized offers. So, in summary, ChatGPT can help travel agents identify customer preferences, create personalized travel packages, and promote travel products and services, which can lead to increased sales and revenue. ChatGPT can help travel agents reduce costs by automating certain tasks, such as booking confirmations and itinerary updates, and customer service inquiries. By automating these tasks, travel agents can save time and reduce the risk of errors, which can ultimately lead to cost savings. In addition, ChatGPT can help travel agents optimize their workflow and improve productivity. For example, ChatGPT can help travel agents prioritize their tasks and manage their schedule more efficiently, allowing them to handle more clients and generate more revenue. Furthermore, ChatGPT can assist travel agents in reducing their overhead costs. By automating certain tasks, travel agents can reduce their need for administrative staff, which can lead to cost savings. In addition, ChatGPT can help travel agents manage their inventory and reduce the risk of overbooking or underbooking, which can lead to cost savings and increased revenue. Moreover, ChatGPT can help travel agents reduce their marketing costs. And by analyzing customer data and behavior, it can help travel agents create targeted marketing campaigns that are more likely to resonate with their customers. This can help travel agents reduce their marketing expense and improve the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns. So, in summary, ChatGPT can help travel agents reduce costs by automating tasks, improving productivity, reducing overhead costs, and optimizing marketing campaigns. And this can ultimately lead to improved profitability and growth for travel agents. ChatGPT can help travel agents expand their reach and connect with customers from around the world. With its natural language processing capabilities, it can help travel agents communicate with customers who speak different languages, improving the customer experience and ultimately leading to increased sales. For example, it can help travel agents provide customer service and assistance to customers who speak languages that the travel agent may not be familiar with. Now, this can help travel agents reach new markets and expand their customer base. Furthermore, it can assist travel agents in providing localized travel recommendations and advice. By analyzing local events, weather conditions, and other factors, ChatGPT can help travel agents suggest relevant travel experiences and destinations for customers in different regions. And additionally, ChatGPT can help travel agents promote their services and products on social media platforms and other online channels. By analyzing customer data and behavior, it can help travel agents create targeted marketing campaigns that are more likely to resonate with potential customers in different regions. ChatGPT can help travel agents expand their reach, communicate with customers in different languages, and provide localized travel recommendations and advice. And this can ultimately lead to increased sales, improved customer satisfaction, and growth for travel agents. ChatGPT can help travel agents stay competitive in the rapidly evolving travel industry. With its ability to analyze customer data, automate tasks, and provide personalized recommendations, it can help travel agents differentiate themselves from competitors and provide a unique value proposition to their customers. For example, ChatGPT can help travel agents provide faster, more efficient customer service, leading to improved customer satisfaction and increased loyalty. This can give travel agents a competitive edge in a crowded marketplace where customers have many options for booking travel. Furthermore, it can help travel agents stay up to date with the latest travel trends and market changes. By analyzing industry data and monitoring customer feedback, Chat GPT can help travel agents adjust their services and products to meet the changing needs and preferences of their customers. Moreover, ChatGPT can help travel agents keep pace with technological advancements in the travel industry by automating certain tasks and leveraging data analytics. It can help travel agents stay competitive with online travel agencies and other technology-driven competitors. ChatGPT can help travel agents stay competitive by providing faster, more efficient customer service, staying up to date with travel trends, and keeping pace with technological advancements. And this can ultimately lead to improved customer service and satisfaction, increased sales, and growth for travel agents. ChatGPT is not something to fear, but something to embrace. I know travel agents are really busy people, but you really should take the time to explore ChatGPT and learn how it might be able to help you. I so remember doing seminars in the 1970s and asking travel agents in the room, how many of you have an email address? And at that time, only a few would raise their hands. Don't be the last one to get on the AI bandwagon. Thank you so much for watching this short video. We hope you've enjoyed it. Why not give it a like or a share? And if you would like to know when we release future tutorials, just subscribe to our channel.